Hi, welcome to Sparkling Memories, a place we can build healthy relationship with food, parents, and yourself. And today we're gonna make some old-fashioned homemade French toast. Of course, you need a few ingredients besides just the bread, because you have to make a mixture, and of course, we have to add the flavoring. So the first thing I want to show you is the egg that I use. I like this egg, is Eggland's best because this one has a vitamin D, E, B2, B12. And I think the last one says B5 is a vegetarian fed hens. So it's going to taste a little different from the regular egg that you purchase in the store. Because I know I have a various different brands. This is the one I like. Then I have my silk almond milk vanilla flavored. It is delicious. It has exactly 50% more calcium than the dairy milk. So that's why I like to use it. Then I have my bread that's a little thicker than a regular sliced bread. I have my salt. I have the cinnamon, I have the bowl, and another container in order to soak the bread in. So the bowl is to mix the different ingredients into. The last foil part is when it's done. You put your little napkin in there, don't matter what kind of napkin. So we're starting off with the eggs, and then we're going to go in with a silk almond vanilla flavor. You want to put that into the bowl that has in the eggs you already cracked. It's going to look a little something like this. At this point, I want to add some flavor, so I pour in my dash of salt, and then I pour in my cinnamon. And then give that a good stir. Because believe in me, the late dash of salt makes a big difference. Now you're going to go ahead and soak your breads, and then flip it to the other side, both sides, coat it for a few seconds, and then you take them out and you pour it in your container. At this point, you want to start prepping your pan so you can start making them in your frying pan. So once you do the one side, you pour in a little Kerrygold butter, because that's the brand I like to use because, it's good. That's the Irish butter. Yes. So I added a little bit more cinnamon on top. That's what you're looking at currently because I want it to look appetizing. I put mine on for a little darker color because I like the edges of mine to still stand up with the bread. And then the end result will look something like this. Till next time, this is my sit around for Sparkling Memories. Bye-bye.